Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I've come back again to share a brand new video with you. In this video, I will show you today how you can create a new Honeygain account. And after creating a new Honeygain account, how you can get a $3 bonus. Right after creating it also, how you can connect this account to your laptop and PC, and how you can effectively share your internet traffic every day. Music today, I demand it today. In this video, I will show you how you can quickly increase your Honeygain income. You have to rapidly boost these Honeygain to achieve a full month's income. In today's video, I will show all these topics. I request you to watch the entire video without skipping it. You first see the description of this video. You need to click on this video description. After clicking this video's description, you need to click the link below. Once you click on the provided link, you will be brought directly to the official website of Honeygain. And there's something else important to note. If you use our specific link to click and then proceed to create an account you will immediately receive a generous $3 bonus as soon as your account is successfully created. So you'll only get this bonus by clicking this particular link and setting up an account. After that, you will clearly see an option labeled Invite on the screen. Just go ahead and click on it. After clicking you will be directly taken to an interface like this. I don't need to do anything here. You'll just see an option called email address. Not here, search up with you'll provide a Google email address or a Gmail address after this. You'll see an option below named Create Password. This password must be strong. You should provide an 8-digit strong password. So you can get to after you've entered an 8-digit strong password. You then click on the Connect with Email Address option. Right below, once you click that, it will directly bring you to an interface that looks just like this. From here, you can choose to save the passkey or simply dismiss it after that. You'll see an option below called Download for Android. You can download the app for Android by clicking right here. So for that, you will need to click here. After you click, you'll then click Download again right here. After clicking here, the download will begin processing. Then it will open. You will see an option labeled Open. Just click on it. After clicking an interface like this will appear. You will see the option named Install. Now after you click on the option labeled Install, you will then see an option here called Done Please. Click on this option after that. You should return to your mobile's home screen. Once you are back on the home screen, you will notice the Honeygain app has opened. So now you can click on this Honeygain app to access it. Once you successfully entered the Honeygain you will clearly see an option named Please Allow. Click on it, then proceed to click I agree to the terms of us right here. After clicking this, select how Honeygain works. Then click Next and click it again. Then click on Proceed to set up right here. After clicking, you'll see an option called Sign Up with Email. Click on that, then you will arrive on this page. Once you're here, you'll need to enter the same email address that you used just a moment ago to create your account artist. After entering your email, input the same 8-digit strong password you used earlier to create your account. If you've entered that email address and the 8-digit password, then click Sign Up with Email here. After clicking, you'll see an option here called Use Mobile Data. You will find two options presented, No and Yes. From this, you must select Yes, and after selecting Yes, you'll see it set mobile data limit below. If you're using it using limited Wi-Fi or limited mobile data, you can add a limit to it by limit here in ID. You can set a GB limit or specify how many MB you wish to provide to Honeygain daily. You can add that limit from here. And if you use unlimited MB, then there's no need to keep this option on. Then you should turn this option off. But if you are using limited MB, then you should turn this on and select MB or GB. After that, you will click on the Done option below. After clicking, you'll click on Device Battery Optimization. After clicking here you will see an option called Allow. Click on it. An interface exactly like this will appear before you. So friends, your Honeygain app has now been created, so you'll just need to check it up. So for this, you need to scroll down a little. You will be able to see that $3 have been added to your account. If $3 have indeed been added to your account, then there is no problem with it. And your account has been successfully created without any issues after this. Once you have $20 here, you will be able to make a payout from this platform. You receive $3 for creating an account by clicking our link. I'm going to show you how you can significantly boost your Honey income. Very quickly for this, you'll need to scroll down a bit. And you'll see a link provided here. And this is your referral link. This is for those of you who are interested in creating this app. You should copy or share this with your neighbors and friends, and if they click on it and create an account, they will receive a $3 bonus, and to your link, As many people as they wish can create this application, and they will receive a $3 bonus so that they can gain some benefit, even if it's just a little. Once you've scrolled down, you'll be able to see a lucky pot here. This right here is Honeygain's lucky pot. Through this feature once every 24 hours. The very first time you share just 5 megabytes of data, this lucky pot will automatically open up for you. And from this, you can get anywhere from 20 coins up to around 1,000 points. If you calculate in terms of dollars, you'll be able to earn anywhere from approximately 2 cents up to $1 from this. You'll be able to boost your Honeygain income if you wish. You have the option to open this application. Every single day following that, you will simply need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. After scrolling down, you can't see 300 coins here. This is for your referral link. If you refer 3 friends using this link, you will receive this 300 coins immediately up on referring 3 friends. This lucky pot. If you open this 7 lucky pot for 7 consecutive days, you will receive this 500 credit. You see this 500 credit or half a dollar? Which can increase your Honeygain earnings budget by, as you can clearly see here. This is how, by adding a laptop or a computer to your Honeygain account. If you share 1 gigabyte of internet, you will then receive 200 credits. After that, you will simply scroll down here. You'll find a comprehensive list of how much you've earned daily, throughout the month or across the entire year. A list of all your income sources will be available here. Then you will come over to this section down here. You can clearly see the Connect Delivery option. This Connect Delivery option is extremely important. It is crucial that all of you activate this. You can watch a video on YouTube on how to activate this, and from it, you can earn half a dollar to almost $3 per day. So you should definitely activate it. Following this, you will clearly notice an option designated as referral located towards the bottom. This referral feature will become fully active once you successfully refer someone by utilizing the specific referral that is conveniently provided above. Next, you'll notice that below the referral section, it says winning. What winning refers to is that Honeygain occasionally organizes lucky draws, various challenges, and different types of competitions. If you happen to win in any of those and receive some gifts or credits as a reward, then this particular feature will automatically become activated for you after that. You will simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will be able to clearly observe the phrase, "Download the app," displayed right here. This essentially means that you possess the ability to seamlessly integrate and install this particular application onto your Windows operating system, your personal laptop, or even your Apple MacBook through your existing account. You are authorized to connect and actively use a maximum of 10 different devices within your Honeygain account, a desktop computer or even a MacBook. Then all the credits you earn from sharing your internet connection through those specific devices will be added directly to this very account. And by utilizing all these devices together, you could potentially achieve a really good income or a substantial earning every single month. There are many different types of devices available. Here, we should definitely make an effort to connect your computer and laptop after winnings and content delivery, and disconnect device or various tasks. Or your lucky pot. This lucky pot, and through this referral, you will be able to easily earn income on Honeygain from around $20 to $100, or even as much as $500 each and every month. This depends on your specific task or the kind of work you are doing. I have very simply explained to you how you can create a Honeygain account and potentially earn anywhere from $20 to $500 every single month, all right, friends? If you face any difficulty understanding anything regarding Honeygain, then please feel free to contact us in this comment section, or you can simply ask your questions. Through the comments, we will answer it, or we'll try to. So friends, if you enjoyed our video, please like this channel and subscribe. And make sure to turn on the bell icon to all so that our next videos can reach you first. So stay healthy and take care.